Try to drive into Burlington today. The UVM campus is hopping again with its students, the first in the area to move in for this semester.
And with thousands of students on campus, the university is preparing to potentially see monkeypox cases. NBC5's Lauren Granada is live from the campus tonight with more on their plan. Lauren?
Allison Bryan, monkeypox is not a concern to the general public right now, but health experts predict it will be very soon. And with students back here for the fall semester, the school already has plans in place should monkeypox come here to campus. Before the semester begins, thousands of students are moving into the dorms together at the University of Vermont. First-year student Julian Buttos has everything he needs.
I packed a few masks just in case.
He says he'll use masks not just to protect against COVID, but potentially monkeypox. Monkeypox isn't widespread yet, but infectious disease doctor Keith Collins believes there's a good chance it will be in the near future.
I think for the number of people out there that are at risk and the limited supply of what we have to prevent it, I think we're in trouble.
Right now, men who have sex with multiple men are at the highest risk of contracting the virus, and vaccines are being administered around the country to protect against it.
I expect the vaccine was going to offer some pretty good protection, but nobody really knows how well this vaccine works against monkeypox.
If and when the virus spreads to the general population, it potentially could spread through droplets or skin-to-skin contact. In the meantime, schools like UVM are preparing.
COVID taught us a lot, and so we have a lot of those tools still at our ready.
If a student were to contract monkeypox, they would need to isolate for 2 to 4 weeks.
We're focusing our planning on being able to support somebody for that length of time.
But for now, the school is hoping to educate students on the spread of the virus,
so that they can make decisions about the activities they engage in.
Now, the infectious disease doctor that we spoke with says it's important to keep in mind that monkeypox is not an airborne transmitted virus and that so far it's proven not to be a deadly virus. We're live in Burlington. Lauren Granada, NBC5 News.